In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status and date macros in Confluence. To begin, open the Confluence page where you want to place the macros. This can be an existing page you're updating or a new one you're drafting. Macros in Confluence add extra functionality to your content, and in this walkthrough, we'll use two popular ones: status, which highlights progress or state at a glance, and date, which cleanly displays a chosen calendar date. Once the page is open, switch into editing mode by selecting Edit. You'll know you're in edit mode when the page content becomes directly editable and the formatting toolbar appears at the top. If the page is long, take a moment to scroll to the exact spot where these macros will be most useful, near a heading, at the top of a section, or beside an item you want to track. Next, type a / followed by the word status to add a status macro. As you type /status, Confluence's quick insert menu will appear, and you can select the status option from the list. The status macro displays a small colored lozenge with text, making it perfect for marking items like in progress, blocked, or complete. After inserting it, choose the color that best matches your intent. Green often signals done, yellow can indicate in progress, and red can draw attention to issues. Then edit the label text so it clearly communicates what the status represents. Keep it short and specific so it reads well in line with your content. Now, place your cursor where you want to show a date and type /date to add a date macro. This brings up a simple calendar picker. Click to select the exact date you want to display, such as a due date, review date, or the date an update was made. Using the macro ensures the date is formatted consistently and is easy for others to read. If you're aligning schedules across a team, choose a date that reflects your shared timeline. When you've finished placing both macros, publish the page. Publishing saves your changes and returns you to the standard page view. After the page reloads, confirm that the status macro appears with the correct color and text and that the date macro shows the right day. If anything looks off, maybe the color doesn't match your intent or the date needs adjusting, click Edit again, make the tweak, and publish once more. With that, you've successfully added clear visual context to your Confluence page using the status and date macros.